I'm Alyona Minkovski here at Real Vision's New York offices, and here's what's coming up this week on The Edge, the free financial channel from Real Vision. As always, we'll have a new trade idea for you every day the markets are open. On Monday, it's part one of two special edition trade ideas that are looking at both the bull and bear case on Tesla. So Monday, Jay Van Shiver will break down the bear case, but don't worry, we'll have the bull case coming for you later this month. Tuesday, Denise Shull is back for another episode of Mental Game of Trading, where she says that being in touch with your emotions can make you a better trader. Wednesday, George Milling-Stanley, the head of gold strategy at State Street, is here to tell you everything you need to know about gold. From price history to portfolio allocation, it's an episode you won't want to miss. And Thursday, Sean Hackett, the president of Hackett Financial, returns to Trade Idea to go back to a bold call that he made in November of 2018 on pork. And Friday, another instant Real Vision classic. The Najarian brothers sit down with Tony Greer to talk about their story and why they think AI and machine learning have changed the face of finance. That's all for this week on The Edge.